We're in Arizona, out in the desert, and the observatory building is underway. We have a tremendous, wonderful group of people that are helping, and as I take us to the other view here, you can see it out there. I'm going to move out there so you can see it. And you can see the observatories out there being. The sky tonight is going to be stunning, and we are going to be doing nighttime pictures to show you. But it's coming along. Now, I can't go all the way out there because the Wi-Fi doesn't work all the way out there yet. But the backhoe, there's a backhoe standing right there that digs some of the footings. And we got the frame going into the base right there. Tomorrow at 8 a.m., the concrete truck is showing up here to dump a load of concrete. So we're going to be moving along pretty good. Now, I just wanted to share on some of the other pictures. This is that spine of the this is the spine of the saguaro cactus that I took a picture of, and that light was illuminating this whole area. When the sun sets, we're going to have Orion right there. Ah, yes. And welcome to 300 days a year of clear skies. That is what we're looking forward to here at SkyTour LiveStream West, out here in the Sonoran Desert. So I know it's kind of hard to see. I'm trying to get the camera to check it out a little better for you. It's kind of hard, but you can see it out there. I can't walk out there yet, but you know the Wi-Fi will be dead out there. But I am piping power all the way from here, all the way back here to the other buildings here, and that will give us power, and it will give us the network. And we do have a wonderful upload speed here, so we can actually we will be able to upload our streams. So I can't tell you how excited I am, but yeah, I'm really excited. Now back to the other one. So that said, uh, they're leveling the parts out there. And yeah, Bobby, I do not have a show tonight, unfortunately, because I don't have good enough Wi-Fi out here and a good enough network connection to do that yet. When SkyTour LiveStream goes live, however, I will. But right now I don't. You're probably not seeing this as sharp as it can be, I'm guessing, because we don't have a good enough connection. I am piping in another connection. To get here, I actually had to drive 14 miles on dirt roads. Okay, but I drove it myself for the first time today, and it's a very, very complex drive. But it worked, and I got here, and I'm telling you, it's a little chilly tonight for them, I should say. It's about 60. For me, that's t-shirt weather. But here, once the people are in Arizona, well, they have a little problem with the cold, right? So here is, give you an idea. Here is a nice, cool little alien head that's sitting right there on the bathroom, which is a fully plumbed bathroom, by the way. And I think I showed you before that we do have full solar panels. These are 9 by 12 solar panels that are on a heliostat to follow the sun. So the observatory is green. All the power and everything from that observatory is going to be brought to you by the sun, which is an amazing, wonderful difference. You know, we're not going to have to pick off anything but the sun to get our power. So, as you can see, we're moving right along, and I think we'll be in really good shape. So for those just joining us, I think I showed you before that backhoe we used to actually dig the initial location. And now I've got, there's 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 people counting Maddie the dog. They're actually helping to get the forms in place because the concrete truck is going to be pulling in here from a nearby town at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. That's going to be pretty early. I wish I could show you where I'll be sleeping because it's actually in a bunker. The owners of this property are not preppers. They're scientists. So they have a bunker that's 20 feet below ground that you can go down into, and it has beds and shower and bathroom. And it's designed for bad solar storms. And I didn't have a groundbreaking ceremony, but I actually do have some champagne. It's actually a fake champagne that we're gonna celebrate the opening of the observatory with, and that's for later. And they don't know that yet. That's sort of a secret, and they won't watch this stream, so they won't know that I'm doing that. But it's pretty cool, you know. So I know it's just kind of boring, you know, to see it like this, but this is not boring. Check it out. Yeah, christening. So you can see that saguaro. That's a saguaro right there. That's starting up. And this one here is the dead saguaro. That's the skeleton. What's left behind after they die. So it's pretty good. This whole area is out in the desert. Is actually well, the nearest neighbor is about 5 miles away. So it's kind of cool. So it's a really nice location. I don't know how well the stream is coming through. I guess I'll find out once I put it on. You know, once it's done. But we're kind of running out of daylight here, I know. But they're kind of rushing to beat the band because this has to be leveled and ready for the concrete truck tomorrow morning. But I may have to go out there and help now because I feel like a slacker. You know, I actually used a pickaxe this morning. Actually, I took a pickaxe and I was literally digging a trench because we got to put electrical all the way from up there, you know, out there in where the observatory is, all the way back here. And getting that electrical put in is going to be a trick, but we'll do it. It'll be easy overall. It's just going to be work, you know. Now, when I landed here, I actually ended up getting a cold. So that's what you hear, you know. I have a cold. I can sound robotic too. I can say, I'm a robot, you know, whatever. Carol, don't call me a scientific slacker. How dare you? I'm not a slacker. Hey, Dave Schmidt. I'm just actually, I'm just very happy that I'm a full roll off. Yeah.